That's the scammer. See, look, he has my tides equipped. He scammed it. As you can see, I clearly don't have it anymore. This is to show that he's probably gonna scam me. I have the outbound trade. This is to bait him because I just recorded him. Here we go again. He hasn't left yet. This is gonna do all four. Let's see if he scams. Remember, guys, I gave him the Chroma Boneblade and the Chroma Tides. It's processing. So it's processing. Did he accept or did he decline? Nope, he declined. Don't tell me he traded away all his limiteds. I got you. You just scammed me again. This is what he has? Because he traded away his items and he Inactive. Put inactive. Guys, I'm recording right here. Rejected due to error. I just showed you guys he doesn't have limited. Lol. God, now I definitely got you. And I just published the first part. So, sadly, I just lost all my chromas. Yeah. Hopefully I can. I think I'm just gonna probably give this all away, guys. I really don't want to, but if you guys could donate me some money or just anything, I would really appreciate it, because I just lost my Chroma Boneblade and my chromatides to this scammer. As you can see, he has my chromatides and he has my Chroma Boneblade, and I believe all these items are scammed. I do believe that. And I was gonna play dumb. He has my chromatides. He scammed me. I just showed you full on hand that he scammed me. I let him scam my Boneblade. I know they're probably not going to do anything, but I just want you to know that this guy is a scammer. He traded back all of his limiteds, and I just got him on tape doing it. So hopefully he gets banned or something. I just want something to happen. Like, I literally just lost, what, 6,900 seers. Yup. I got you. Yup. Don't play dumb. Don't play dumb. He's trying to play stupid. 2ed_5. That must be his alt. 2nd_ed_5. Nope. You scammed me. Ha ha ha. You got recorded. I was recorded. I was never helping my mom. Lol. I didn't do anything, you retard. You clearly see it here. Rejected due to error. I don't have these. It would say completed. I'm showing you guys all the proof right here. Dude, he's stupid. He's a scammer. I got him on tape. You trade with your alt. I just lost my chromatides and I am very depressed. I'm gonna go cry now. Sorry guys. This is all hitting me. I'm very sick. I'm sorry this had to happen, but I caught another scammer. I'm sorry. He stole my chromatides. And that's that. No, I didn't. You will see when the vid uploads. You will see when the vid uploads, noob. Lol, you're a scammer. And I don't do alts, that's retarded. I know you're not dumb. Have fun. You're not gonna give the items back, so bye. Alright, I just caught a scammer. As you can clearly see, inactive, rejected due to error. He declined the trade and traded away the items. As you can clearly see, I'm showing you again, I do not have an alt. I'm very sad. If you guys could please donate, if anyone's rich and they're watching this, please donate. He stole my items. I'm actually really sad right now. Lol, you scammed me. I am sad, but at least I got you. So this dude scammed me. That's that. Please, guys, I need all the support I could get. If you guys have any spare chromas you could give me, I know it's a lot to ask for, but please. I got scammed. Yup. And he took my Chroma Boneblade, but I got him on tape. Rip me. I just lost 6,900 in seers. Lol. Alright.